are now traveling with TVMATheThe. Today I'm hanging out in Orlando, Florida, representing the Commodore Travel Magazine. I'm hanging out with the owner of Chocolate Kingdom. I have with me today
Edgar, Schakolad.
And today we had an exclusive tour of Chocolate Kingdom. Guys, this is definitely a vibe. If you're going to be in the Orlando area, make sure you get to Chocolate Kingdom. Edgar, what's your website?
It's very easy, chocolatekingdom.com.
And your social media Instagram.
Same exact thing, Chocolate Kingdom.
And what are your hours of operation?
We open every day of the week from 10:30 in the morning until 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Guys, you heard it here first. Remember, Chocolate Kingdom is on your top 5 to-do list whenever you're in Orlando, Florida. Guys, you've been traveling with
TVMATheThe.
That's me. We're out.
Are you a chocolate lover? Then this adventure is for you. Come along and learn how the princess shoes were melted, learn about the cacao tree, chocolate in its raw form and how it is processed, as well as the history of making chocolate. Come along and enjoy the tour with wonderful tour guides such as Alan. Learn the amazing processes, as well as get some tasty treats. I can definitely assure you, this tour is kid approved, fashionistas too. After all, what do you call a gator made out of chocolate? Delicioso! Guys, get to chocolatekingdom.com today. Thanks for traveling with TVMATheThe.